In this video, we're going to show you how to connect the notification list in MedStack Control to a Slack channel for cluster-based alerting. This can be broken down into 5 steps, so let's get into it. The first step is to go into MedStack Control and navigate to the settings page. You can scroll down and identify the notification list section. Step 2, let's head over into Slack, and I've created a channel called MedStack Control Alerts. If I click the channel name and navigate to integrations, I'll be able to click the send emails to this channel. Let's move on to step 3. By clicking that, we can get an email address. This will happen the first time that you're getting an email address for a Slack channel. Once we have that email address, let's copy it, and we're going to go over and paste that into the notification list. In step 4, click Add Email for the notification list, and then paste the Slack email address here. Once the email has been added to the notification list, you'll see it in the list, and we can go over into the Slack channel and confirm things in step 5 to make sure that emails are flowing into the Slack channel. Sure enough, here in the Slack channel, we have confirmation that the email has been added to the notification list for this company.